Hi, I'm Nishant and welcome to this new video tutorial of Akeneo. In today's video tutorial, we'll be checking out Akeneo Configurable Product Importer module. Now this particular module allows the admin of the Akeneo to copy any configurable products variations to another configurable product in the same family. So in today's video tutorial, for the demonstration, what I'll be doing is I'll be showing you the workflow in the admin backend panel, wherein initially we'll be creating a configurable product without variations. Then we'll be choosing the configurable product and be selecting the variations that need to be copied within the particular configurable product there. Apart from that, we'll also be showing you how we can run an import job there for the configurable product variations that need to be imported for the configurable product there. But before I proceed further with this particular video tutorial today, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. So let's hop onto the Akeneo backend panel and let's see the rest of the workflow thereafter. So right now you can see that I'm at the Akeneo backend panel. So the very first thing that I'll be doing is I'll be logging into the admin backend panel of Akeneo by entering the username, password and tapping on the login button there. So let's log into the backend panel there. After tapping on the login button, we'll be successfully logged into the admin backend panel of Akeneo. Now after the successful installation of this particular module, that's the Akeneo Configurable Product Importer, will have one configurable option available in the side panel of the Akeneo there. So if I scroll down here you can see that I have one configurable option. So if I tap on that, we'll be able to see the Akeneo Configurable Product Importer section, and here we have the option to configure the product mapping. So if I go to the Configurable Product Mapping section, here we have the map product model with the variations there, or the product variations there. So the configurable product that you have created without variations, those can be selected from this drop down here, and then we have to tap on the add new mapping, and after that the particular product model would be listed here, and then under the product variations here on the right hand side we have select the particular variations that need to be imported within the configurable product there. But before I come to this particular section, and then when I show you how we can import the particular job there for the product or the configurable product variations that need to be imported within the particular configurable product, let me first show you how we can initially create a configurable product in the first place. So for that, we'll go to the product section on the left hand side panel here. And here you can see that we have already created the products with the same family, that's the accessories. So I'll create another configurable product, and to do so what I'll do is I'll just tap here on the create button on the top right hand corner, and then I'll choose the product model. Then we'll set the code of the particular product, then we'll choose the family. So the family should be same for the configurable products if you want to import the product variations from one configurable product to another configurable product there. So I'll be choosing the same what we say as the family there as accessories, and then we have the variant there. So here I'll be choosing the variant as choose by or the accessories by color, and then I'll tap here on the save button. After tapping on the save button, you can see that the product has been saved. Let me give the name of the product here, for example test product, and then you need to fill in the rest of the details there. Right now you can see that under the color we have no values there, right? And let me save this configurable product without variations. The variation has been chosen as color, but the values have not been assigned there. Now that's how we can create a particular configurable product in the first place without variations there. Now let's head on to the particular section, that's the configurable one. And here we have the Akeneo Configurable Product Importer section where we can have the configurable product mapping. So from the drop down here, I'll select the particular product code. So the particular product code was 123. I'll select that up and I'll tap here on the add new mapping button. That will bring up the product model here, and here we can choose the product variations for the same. So here you can see that automatically the colors have popped up. Now these color variations are of another configurable product there. For the configurable product that we have already added with the particular variations, those variations are being displayed here. because the configurable product that we were creating, we chose accessories by color there. So here we have the red and the yellow color, and after selecting these or mapping the product model with the product variations there, I'll save the particular thing there. So you can see that it says successfully updated. Now what we need to do is we need to create an import job, right, for the configurable product variation importer there, so that the variations are imported into the particular configurable product there. So for that, what we need to do is I've already created an import profile there with the name Akeneo configurable product importer. You can do the same by tapping here on the create import profile button on the top right hand corner. So you need to tap on that, and that will bring up this particular section. Here you have to enter the code label, and under the job required, you have to scroll down to the particular section that says Akeneo configurable product importer, and choose the Akeneo configurable product importer, and then tap on the save button. After you've saved the particular profile, that profile would be listed here under this particular section. So I'll open the particular profile, and what I'll be doing is I'll be tapping here on the import now button. You can see that the red lines, created lines, processed lines. Now if I go to the product section for the product that we had created, the test product, now you can see that it's showing the variant products as 2 here. And if I open this particular product, you can see that we have the color, and if I tap there, you can see that the red variation and the yellow variation has been assigned to this particular configurable product there. So yes, that was much about the video today for the Akeneo configurable product importer, and I hope that this particular video helped you out in understanding how the admin of the Akeneo would be able to copy the configurable products variations to another configurable product in the same family there. Apart from that, I also showed you how we'll be able to create the configurable product in the first place without variations, then how we'll be able to choose the configurable product and the variations that need to be imported within the configurable product without variations, and then how we can run the import profile there to import the configurable product variations into the respective configurable product there. So that was much about the video today, and I hope that this particular video helped you with the same. If you still have any questions, queries, suggestions or requirements regarding the same, then you can anytime get back to us at support@webcool.com, or you can raise a ticket at webcool.uvdesk.com as well. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video, and have a great day ahead.